So can I ask something? Like, so you have sent the recording of HCV and exercise 1, right? Of capacitors
HCV and assignment.
and assignment. Okay. So today you will discuss booklet. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, good evening. Capacitors exercise 1.
357.
4.
1.
15.
20.
Sir, 15.
15, 16.
19.
Sir, 14th one. And 21.
Sir, 30.
26.
22, 23.
33.
First question. You have Q and 2Q here. The switch is closed. This is B. This is 2B. 3 large plates. How much charge will flow through the key when it is closed? Find the initial charge distribution. Initial charge distribution will be, this will be 3Q by 2. This will be 3Q by 2. The switch is open. When the switch is open, this plate is isolated. Right? This will be minus Q by 2. This will be Q by 2. This will be 3Q by 2 minus 3Q by 2. The initial charge is Q on this, 0 on this. Now find the final charge distribution when you close the switch. We have done this. Are you people there, or did I lose contact?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Zoom यहाँ फिर से reconnect क्यों हुआ है? Now, when I close the switch, take this as X, take this as Y, minus Y, 2Q plus Y, minus of 2Q plus Y. This should be Z, but I'll take it as X. Because only if these two are equal, the field inside the plate will become 0. If I take Z, I'll have to write X is equal to Z. Instead, I'm decreasing one way. Right? 2X plus Y minus of 2Q plus Y is the net charge on the first and the third plate now, which should be equal to Q. This is my first equation. Second equation, call this A, B and C. BA minus BC should be C. Why they both are connected? BA minus BB plus BB minus BC should be 0. BA minus BB is this field into distance. I'll call this E1 into D. This is E2 into 2D is 0. E1 is because of these both. E2 is because of these both. Can you further solve the problem? You get the final charge on A and C put together. You know the initial charge on A and C put together is Q. Final charge you will get after simplifying this. Difference will be the charge which has flown through the key. Will you be able to solve beyond this?
Yes, sir.
Third question is a very unreasonable doubt. First three 2 microfarad capacitors are in parallel. You are able to see this 2 microfarad, this 2 microfarad, 2, 2 and 2. How are they connected? These both are connected this way, these both are connected this way. We have been clearly told that this you will have to recognize hereafter to be in parallel. Now here I have two capacitors in series. I am unable to see those digits. Are they 5 and 3?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
5 and 3 ka equivalent capacitance in series is how much?
15
15 by 8.
Right.
15 by 8. But the bottom line is that is short circuit. This is 4 microfarad. You connected the positive and negative plate of this capacitor, thereby destroying that. You have a 100 volts battery. I will redraw the circuit. Please have a look. 2, 2 and 2 microfarad. Technically, you should have 15 by 8. You have short circuited this. This is 4. To my knowledge, you will be able to solve.
Yes, sir.
Remove.
Short circuit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Copy.
Thanks. Fourth question. What in the circuit shown energy stored in the 1 microfarad capacitor? Whoever had a doubt in the fourth question, could you tell me what did you do or where you were stuck up?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I will see and tell 1 minute.
I cannot see any value in this.
So the voltage is 24 volts. The battery for 24 volts.
Okay.
So this is a 4, 3, 5, 1, 1, 1.
Find out the charge of that. Q square by 2c is the answer. Find out the charge on this. 5 and 1 are 6, right? That is so very easy. See, this is 3, this is 6, this is 4. This is 24. How much charge is there on this? I damn don't care because potential difference across this and this is the same. This 4 microfarad is only to divert your attention.
Okay. Okay.
You
Okay.
take 4 or don't take makes no difference for me.
Okay.
Potential difference across this is how much? Potential difference across this is how much? 24.
Yes.
So remove this. I have nothing to do with this. Now I will have positive, negative, positive, negative. Can you find out the charge on this too?
Yes,
This
sir.
charge you know how to split on this.
Yes,
Once you
sir.
get Q, what will be the charge on this? 1 divided by 1 plus 5 into Q.
अरे हाँ सॉरी सर वो स्प्लिटिंग का
Q square by 2c. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
सॉरी सर.
This is a very unreasonable doubt. आपको चार्ज उस कैपेसिटर पर कैलकुलेट करना है जिससे आपको Q square by 2c आ जाएगा.
Sir, I forgot to split, sir. Sorry.
Fifth question. From a supply of identical capacitors rated 8 microfarads. This is 8 microfarads. You have a supply of 1000 volts. But this can withstand only 250 volts. Then how many 8 microfarad capacitors do you think should be kept in series? 4.
3.
4.
Yes, sir.
But
So-
I need equivalent capacitance of 16. Now how much is the equivalent capacitance of this? 8 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
8 by 4 is 2. How many such type of parallel rows
4.
do you think I should have to get 16?
8, sorry, 8.
Yes, sir.
8 rows. 4 capacitors in each row and 8 such type of rows will solve my problem.
Okay.
This has got nothing to do with physics, I don't. It's a game of numbers.
But
We have
sir,
done a similar problem even in HC.
sir. But, how did you arrange it? I didn't get it. Like, how did it strike to you that you have to arrange it in series 4 and then parallel? So I got
What is
it.
the supply? What is the supply?
1000 volts,
Each capacitor can withstand how much?
250.
So in series, how many should I keep so that you will have 250 against each?
4, sir, 4.
250 volts, 250 volts, 250 volts will add up to the 1000.
Yes.
What is the equivalent capacitance of this 2 microfarads?
The rest I got it. Thank you. So just 1 minute. Copied, sir.
Seventh is a tricky one. Every year I also solve this and I keep forgetting this question. Seventh is a genuine doubt. 4 microfarads and 5 microfarads. This switch is open initially. This is 4 ohms. This is how much? 20 volts. Find out the initial charge on them. Find out the initial charge on them. These two values are how much? R and 2 ohms. Heat produced in the capacitor on closing the switch. Yes, initially you have some resistance, right? So initially current flows through this way, but wait, we used to do something here. 1 second, wait, let me recollect. Every year we do and I keep forgetting. Steady state,
KVL.
there will be no current. Listen, steady state, there will be no current flowing through this branch with the capacitors, right? Current will be flowing this way only. No current. No, steady state, there will be no current flowing in these both resistors as well as this resistor. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because for these both resistors current to flow, you will have to pass current through this.
Yes, sir.
Same is the situation for 4 ohms, this will come on the way. So
Yes.
steady state, all these resistors are a hoax. It's only to create confusion. No current. So this will be at 0, this will be at 20. What is the equivalent capacitance? 4 into 5 divided by 9. 20 by 9 microfarads. Right? Q will be equal to 20 by 9 into 20. Initially it will be 400 by 9. microcoulombs of charge on both of them, which is actually a very unnecessary information. Right? Now that you place a resistance here, how will your answer change? Nothing changes. You are again at steady state the same value. There is no current flowing through any of the branch of the resistor. Neither can you pass current through this, because in either of the branches the capacitor will come on your way. So again this is at 0, this is at 20 volts. Again the final charge Q initial and Q final are the same. So there is no current which flew through it. Circuit is so constructed just to create confusion. This was not there initially. What difference it made? There is no current in either of the resistors. Now you placed a new resistance here. It makes no difference. There is no current in any of the branch because the capacitor comes on the way. Hence the answer is 0.
Sir, could you re-explain?
Tell me your doubt in it. काहे का re-explain? कर क्या रहे थे?
So I can understand by.
Steady state.
Yes, sir.
How will you pass current through the circuit? Which branch? Initial.
Lower.
Which branch will you pass current through? Which branch of the resistor? This branch you cannot pass current because this capacitor comes on the way. Suppose you say this way current is flowing, this capacitor comes on the way. So through
Yes, sir.
capacitor there will be no current flowing.
Correct.
So what will be the potential difference across these two 20?
Yes.
Now that I place the resistance here, what difference will it make? Absolutely no difference. There is no current in any of the branch.
Okay.
Again, in steady state. So again, this will be at 0, 20, and the final charge is also the same.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in first case, how did you say that they both are in series? Because there is also a wire connecting between 4 and 5, right? To the
But there is no
battery.
current flowing through it, right?
Yes.
Steady state, there is no current flowing through it. No current flowing through it is as good as removing all of this. Once steady state is reached, no current flows through. So there cannot be any current in this branch or this branch. This is only a hoax, just confusing the case. Let us say you, even if this is not, they are not in series, the charge on both of them is a different value. But initial and final will be the same.
Right.
Heat loss is 0. Seventh is a genuine doubt. Can I rub the board?
Yes. Sir.
Fifteen.
14. Hey, 14th class में किया हुआ है. With resistors we did this. One microfarad capacitor, 2 microfarad capacitor. 2 microfarad capacitor, 1 microfarad capacitor, 2 microfarad capacitor. Can I claim 2 and 2 are in series?
Yes, sir.
If 2 and 2 are in series, this will be 1 microfarad.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
This is 1. 1 and 1 are in parallel.
Two.
Equivalent
Two.
capacitance will be
2 microfarad.
2 microfarads and 2 microfarads are in series.
Series.
1 microfarad.
One microfarad.
1 and 1 are in parallel.
2.
2 microfarad.
2 microfarad is my answer. 14th is an easy one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15th again is a reasonable doubt.
The value of C is not given. That's the doubt of that.
15th, yeah, even if it were given, students somehow have a psychological feeling that the charge goes into the ground. So they always have a doubt taking
Yes,
those
sir.
4 capacitors in series. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15th May, I'll tell you something which will immediately simplify your job, but it's a genuine doubt. Every year students ask me. But this is a 10-volt battery. I have one capacitor here, one capacitor here, one capacitor here. The confusion which it creates for you is by grounding this. You ground it, you don't ground it, I damn don't care. Battery is neither a source nor a sink. If Q charge goes into this, I should get back Q charge. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if I have got Q charge on this, I should have Q on it. I should have Q on it. And how much am I supposed to have on it?
You.
You.
Now tell me if you can solve the problem or not.
So, sir,
Yes.
there's no need of grounding on you.
The grounding is unnecessary diversion for you. They diverted your attention. So here 99% of the students, they face a problem. Should I take the same charge? Should I assume them to be in series? They are. Grounding is making a fool out of you people, but it is a genuine doubt. It is deceptive. It will look deceptive. Only thing in grounding, you have decided that this will be at zero potential. If not, I can take this at zero, this at zero, this at zero. I can start from anywhere. You cannot tell me where from to start. But here he told you start from here and tell me the potential at some points, which you will be able to do.
So, sir, the equations would be 10 minus 3q by c is equal to 0.
Thank you.
So
ये
10
zero हो गई है. क्या बोल रहे हो? Apply KVL. You are touching the negative place. 10 minus 4q by c is equal to 0. Q by c value will be Q by c is 10 by 4. 5 by 2.
Okay, sir.
2.5.
Wait, sir, don't run.
Now from here you apply 0 minus I want the potential here. कहाँ का potential पूछ रहा है? B पूछ रहा है ना? Potential here is V at 0 minus Q by C is potential at B. 0 minus 2.5 is the potential at B. Start from here and come till here. Potential at 0. I'm touching the negative terminal. Plus Q by C 3 times should be potential at A. Potential at 0 is 0 plus 3 times Q by C is 2.5. Potential at A is 7.5. Potential at B is minus 2.5.
Sir, by nodal analysis, this will be more easy, right?
इसमें कौन सा बड़ा फाइनेंस कैलकुलेशंस कर रहे हो? एक इक्वेशन एक वेरिएबल है, इसमें इजी क्यों ढूंढना है?
Sir, will you be taking exercise 3 doubts today?
Exercise 3 I don't know, I'm not sure. 2 तक शायद पहुंच जाऊंगा अगर इन लोगों ने एडिशनल ऐड नहीं किया.
Okay, sir.
बाई चांस इवन इफ आई डू रिकॉर्डिंग तो भेज दूंगा ना यार हर बैच में. अगर आपको एक्सरसाइज 1-2 में डाउट्स नहीं है तो skip exercise 3 becomes a probability. You can save your time. I'll send you the recording either.
Okay, sir. So you'll send it on the group, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So can you send in a flagship as well?
Yeah, हर बैच में भेज दूंगा.
1 minute, sir, 1 second. Done, sir, done, sir.
$16. Whose doubt is this, please? 16 जिसका भी doubt है, please raise your hand.
Sir, it was my doubt.
We have solved this in the class. In Wheatstone Bridge. It is there in your class notes. It is there in the lecture as well. First change that we have made is this. Second change, we made this. We bought B here. Third change, we moved it from here. कुछ याद आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Sir, I do.
See, which one between we have done this in detail.
Yes, sir. So you can just
19. Distance between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor is 3 millimeters and potential difference applied is 3 into 10 raised to 5 volts. If an electron travels from one plate to another, the change in its potential energy is P. What is the potential difference?
3 into 10.
Potential difference 3 into 10 raised to 5 volts. Right? Potential energy difference is delta V into Q. This is delta U. 3 into 10 raised to 5 into charge of an electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 is potential difference. Electron volt. What is the definition of electron volt? If one electron travels through a potential difference of 1 volt, the potential energy change is 1 electron volt.
Divide करना है 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19.
Divide क्यों करोगे? Multiply. Delta V into Q is delta U. Divide कर लोगे.
अरे नहीं हाँ
The answer will come in electron volt only, right?
Naturally, this is an electron volt. अगर multiple choice में joules में दिया हुआ है तभी conversion करो. ऐसा ही काम
Okay.
करते रहो major test में. Divide के in the place of division multiply करो, in the place of multiplication करो.
नहीं सर वो by mistake हो
19 is a very easy question. वो plate difference distance आपको confuse करने के लिए दिया है. वो distance से कुछ लेना देना है ही नहीं. Delta V into Q is delta U. If one electron goes from, if an electron goes through a potential, definition of electron volt तो सीखो आपको chemistry में first board certificate model में electron volt का definition सिखाया गया है. If one electron travels through a potential difference of 1 volt, the change in energy is 1 electron volt. If one electron goes through a potential difference of so many volts, how much is the change in potential energy? That into 3 into 10 raised to 5. Photoelectric effect पढ़ा है कि नहीं आप लोगों को?
पढ़ा है
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो फिर work function of a metal, potential energy
हाँ.
difference, kinetic energy of the electron. Kinetic energy of the electron कौन से units में calculate किया आपने? Electron volt में ही किया.
इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट
हाँ. Done, sir.
S is an objective from HCV. AC1 है, AC2 है. Right? This is V. अब कौन सा डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है वो? कहां से कहां जा रहा है? Left to right या right to left?
Left to right.
Left to right. Have a look at the graph. Here, from here till here, potential is 0. The rise in potential is large and the rise in potential for C2 is small. The rise in potential for C1 is large. Potential across this is Q by C1. Across this is Q by C2. Q will be the same because they are in series. Q by C1 is greater than Q by C2. Q by sir, this is larger than this. 1 by C1 is greater than 1 by C2. Can you tell me the inequality between C1 and C2?
C2 greater than C1.
C2 greater than
Awesome.
So,
Bolo.
so that horizontal line indicates constant potential, right? So where is that constant?
क्या
potential?
फिर से बोलो?
Sir, I need to understand how you interpreted the graph and solve the question.
Potential difference across from here till here is 0.
Yes, sir.
Across C1, this is the rise in potential difference.
Oh, I got it.
Across C2, this is the rise in potential difference. Which is greater?
That's the first
Potential
one.
difference across C1. So
C1,
Q by
C1.
C1 is the potential difference across this.
Correct, sir.
done.
Wait, sir, wait.
सर ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ सर, ये जो कॉलेज से कंसेंट फॉर्म आया, इज इट फॉर द कोचिंग क्लासेस एज वेल?
Yeah, for everything.
ओके।
जेई होता हाँ
तो सर आप भी आएंगे मतलब?
हाँ सर आप ही आओ
We will have to start. Now, government is insisting that promoting that we will have to start, but there are few restrictions which are very tricky. Number of students in a class for both restrictions. Now,
So, sir,
15
college has-
students in
सर
a
आप
class,
आएंगे?
इनिशियली कितने बैठ सकते
so we'll have to make one student sit in one bench. वो सब कैसा होगा वो थोड़ा tricky situation है, but first the state government says take the consent from the parents.
पर सर 23 अक्टूबर
Yes,
के
sir.
बाद
They
ही
send the
होगा
consent form.
वो 23 अक्टूबर के बाद ही पेश का होगा क्योंकि हमारा मिड टर्म एग्जाम उधर वो टाइम पे खत्म होता है तो बोला है कि मिड टर्म एग्जाम्स के बाद
So even the college has sent the form for it. Offline.
कॉलेज ने ही भेजा है
College only will send the form. All communications officially will be from Pace Junior Science College. Now the lecture that you are attending is also on the records of Pace Junior Science College only. All
Yes,
this is
sir.
considered to be attendance.
Yes, sir, copied. So the attendance in the PACE IIT lecture will be counted in the college attendance.
Yeah, it is very much covered.
Oh,
वरना आप लोगों का 75% नहीं आता है.
right, sir.
सर 0.7 पे आता।
Now this is 12 microfarads, 2 microfarads, 2 microfarads, 2 microfarads. सही लिया मैंने?
Yes, sir.
This is an unreasonable doubt. Even if you have seen the circuit properly, you will not ask me this as a doubt. This point, this point, this point, this point. Are they at the same potential?
यस
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
There is no component in between. So this point, this point, this point are at the same potential. Please turn this. Now tell me, do you know how to solve the problem?
यस सर
Yes,
नाउ आई
sir.
विल डू ओके सर
Wait,
सर
sir.
वो टर्न कैसे किया सर मतलब
Well, same point, equipotential point, this point,
Ah.
this point, this point. There's no component here. From here till here,
Okay.
there is no component.
so you can turn it on that side also
You can connect it anytime.
ओके सर हो
Now
जाएगा
see, this I can bring it here, I can bring it here. Because
Ah.
all points are equipotential, right?
यस सर
It makes no difference whether I draw it here or here. Same is the
Okay.
situation. This point, this point, this point are symmetry बताते वक्त मैंने बोला equipotential points जब पता है you can shift yes or no. or
Yes,
you can
sir.
join them.
यस सर यस
So these two are in parallel, that is in series with this, that is in parallel with this.
यस सर
4 and 12 are in series.
डन सर
22nd. 6 identical charges plus q each are placed at the corners of a regular hexagon. The charge that must be placed at the center of the hexagon to make the whole system of charge at equilibrium. Hexagon has how many sides?
6.
Q. 6 identical charges बोल रहा है. So here I will place a charge q. Find the net force on this due to the 5 and this. They should be balanced. Now net force on this due to the remaining 5. Due to the remaining 5. This is A, this is A. Little bit of a geometry is involved. Will you be able to calculate?
Yes, sir. It becomes a little bit
This will
lengthy.
be repulsion, this will be repulsion. Put it in I cap, J cap, get it done. Right? He is saying whole of the system at equilibrium. Net force on any one of them should become 0. Because of these 5 charges and this should be equal and opposite. Net force should become 0. A simplification मैंने कहा.
इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स
sir.
वाले कॉन्सेप्ट से ही हो जाएगा
Yeah.
इसमें
yeah.
capacitance का कुछ है ही नहीं.
हाँ सर कैपेसिटर कुछ नहीं
His net force on one of the charges should be 0. F net on any one of the charges should be zero. ये simplification आप लोग करें.
Done, sir. Copy.
22. Wait, 22 अभी अभी किया. 23. Two insulated metallic spheres capacitance. Now see, this is 3 microfarads. This is 5 microfarads. A charge to 300 volts and 500 volts. Energy loss when they are connected by a wire. Now you know the charge on this is 900 microcoulombs. Charge on this is 2500 microcoulombs. Right? Now they are connected. This is C1 and this is C2. Now once they are connected, the charge will flow in such a way so that both come down to the same potential. Q by C1 should be equal to Q by C2. Q1 by C1 is Q2 by C2. Right? First equation. Second equation, Q1 plus Q2 should be equal to 900 plus 2500. Q1 by C1 is equal to Q2 by C2. Now two equations, two variables. Will you be able to calculate for Q1 and Q2?
Yes.
I know U initial. U initial is half C V square plus half C V square. What is U final? I know the final charges. Q1 square by 2C plus Q2 square by 2C. Or find out the common potential half C1 plus C2 into V square. You know the common potential. Anything will do. Difference is my answer. Use a calculator to do the simplification. This is 3 microfarads. This is 5 microfarads. So this sum total into 10 raised to minus 6. 3 microfarads, 5 microfarads.
So this last part, can you explain again that microfarad one?
See the question. How much is the value of 3 and 5? How much is the value of 3 and 5? Farads or microfarads?
It's a microfarad.
तो 10 raised to minus 6 लिखना पड़ेगा ना यार.
हाँ सर लिखना पड़ेगा.
वही तो पहले मैं भूल गया था इसलिए बाद में ब्रैकेट डाल के डाला.
ओके सर मुझे लगा आप कुछ और भी फैक्टर कर रहे थे.
यहाँ I don't need to put both sides, they will get cancelled out.
Yes sir.
But here I have to put that 10 raised to minus 6. Keep an eye on the units carefully.
I will.
A capacitor of capacitance C is charged to a potential of V. This is charged to a potential of V from a cell and then disconnected. A charge of plus Q is now given to the positive plate. Now this is originally Q equal to C. Now what are you telling me? A charge of plus Q is given to the positive plate. Now if you give plus Q, how will it distribute? Charge will distribute. It will not sit the way you have given. If I give plus Q, first of all, forget about the initial charge. This will become Q by 2, this will become Q by 2, Q by 2 minus Q by 2. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
What is the potential difference between the two? Field into distance. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Field will be only because of these two. These both will give me 0.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes, yes.
So field is Q by 2 by A epsilon naught into D is delta. Q by 2A epsilon naught into D is delta V because of the charge that you have given. Now epsilon naught A by D is C, right? So that I can write it as Q by 2C.
Yes, sir.
Epsilon naught A by D from the numerator and bringing it to the denominator of the denominator. So will it be Q by 2C?
Yes, yes.
So Q by 2C plus V will be the potential difference between the two. This charge you have given and you connected it to a battery. You have done two jobs.
Yes, sir.
Charge Q, how did you give? That is the problem set as headache. He dumped it, he blew air, he did something. How he gave the charge? Generally, it is given by battery. He did some hypothetical magic and he dumped the charge Q on it. That is not our headache. But he has given that charge. Once given that charge, Q by 2C will be the potential difference. You connected a battery and added further potential difference. So V plus Q by 2C will be my answer. Hence, C is the answer.
सर
बोलो.
सर आपने जो स्पेरिकल और सिलिंड्रिकल कैपेसिटर करवाया था सर, उसमें जो भी हमने डिराइव किया था वो सब रिजल्ट्स याद रखने हैं, सब याद रखना है क्या?
सर कल के टेस्ट में आएंगे ना सिलेंड्रिकल कैपेसिटर्स?
याद रखोगे यार स्पेरिकल एंड सिलिंड्रिकल कैपेसिटर्स का कैपेसिटेंस.
कल नहीं आएगा ना. It is for main syllabus only, you said.
हाँ तो भी याद तो
क्या पता, मैंने तो पेपर सेट नहीं किया है.
कल एडवांस का
पेपर सेट
पेपर.
अगर पूछ लिया तो अब बोनस पूछोगे आप. I don't promise. Please memorize spherical as well as cylindrical capacitors का values.
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
ठीक है.
Wait, sir. Wait. Copy it, sir.
Initially, circuit is in steady state. When the switch S is closed, the heat generated in the circuit will be. Okay. Initially, circuit is in steady state. This is a very, very good question. This is the polarity. I think I have gone wrong with the polarity. No. Initially, circuit is in steady state. Positive, negative, C. This is E. What is the charge on this? Ce. With the upper plate positive, lower plate negative, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Switch is open, so this battery will not do any work.
Correct.
No sir.
Now that you closed the switch, students always have this habit of telling me that this battery will now push additional charge. Battery is neither a source nor a sink. It has got nothing to do with sending charge or taking charge. Battery's job is to maintain potential difference. This is 0, this is E. this is E, this is E, this is 0. So potential difference is the same. It is already charged to its maximum capacity. This battery will do no additional work.
Okay.
This battery will do no additional work. What was initial remains final. Now what is the heat loss?
Half CV squared
Half
C
C.
squared by 2C.
थप्पड़ मारूंगा एक initially
Zero.
whatever initially जो charge है final will be वही रहेगा. This battery will not do initial work. On closing the switch, did any change happen?
No. Zero. Zero is done.
No, sir.
Wait, sir, don't rub.
So main reason is potential difference remains same.
Perfect. Potential difference across the capacitor remains the same. So there is no additional charge pushed by the battery. There is no change in energy. Heat loss is 0.
So noted it down.
Pardon?
We noted it down.
Noted.
Thirty-three. 33 I find to be the easiest problem, yet every year students ask. At least a genuine doubt I can believe. But I don't know why they get this doubt. P1 and P2, the distance is D. Two conducting plates are placed parallel to each other at very small separation D. The plate area of either phase of plate A charge plus 2Q is given to plate P1 and minus Q to plate P2. 2Q minus Q. If the plates P1 and P2 are now connected by conducting wire, total amount, find the initial charge distribution. 2Q minus Q is Q.
Q
Q by
by 2.
2, Q by 2. This will be
Q by 2.
3Q by 2 minus 3Q by 2. Now you are telling me you will close these both. Once you close these both, find the new charge distribution. Listen carefully. Right now, how do you want me to calculate the energy? Half epsilon naught E square into volume.
Yes, sir.
Half it, or let us do the final charge distribution as well. Now that you have connected, both will come down to the same potential.
Yes.
Net charge should be Q. Net charge should be Q. This will be Q by 2 and Q by 2.
So 0, 0, neither.
0, 0.
Formula lag.
How did you say Q by 2 in between?
Right. Calculate
Plus
that
3Q by 2 minus 3.
X, Y, minus Y, X. Right? Now listen. Both should come down to the same potential, means delta V should be 0. It's Q by 2 outside, not inside. My bad. Delta V is 0. Delta V is 0 implies the field is 0. That implies Y is 0.
Yes,
So I
sir.
will have Q by 2 here and Q by 2 here. Now listen to the beauty in the problem. What is the net field inside?
0.
0.
Now here, what is the net field inside? I can calculate the field, right? Because of this and this.
Yes, sir.
Half epsilon naught E square into volume is the initial energy. Final is 0. Difference is the heat loss.
So it's like basically short circuited the capacitor.
Ideal.
Can you also
Now here students ask for a doubt. You are taking energy only here. You are taking only energy inside. बाहर क्यों छोड़ दिया भाई साहब आपने?
फील्ड 0 है ना?
है बाहर, because of these two it will be 0, but q by 2 and q by 2 will give me a field here as well as here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? सो रहे हो यार सबके सब लोग।
सर
Yes,
आपकी
sir.
आवाज सुनाई नहीं पड़
क्वेश्चन
रही।
समझ में आया आपको? लिसन, I took the field here and calculated the energy, field here and calculated the energy, difference is the heat loss बोल रहा हूँ। Why did you leave field here and here?
Sir, initially and finally it's the same.
They are the same. Initially also जो field है because of q by 2 and q by 2. Finally also जो field है because of q by 2 will be the same. Some value you take, some value of energy u naught. Here also I will have to add u naught. Difference u naught and u naught will get cancelled out. आई बात समझ में?
Yes, sir. So taking exercise 2.
I think exercise 2 कितने डाउट्स है?
तो 32 and 31 भी कर सकते हैं।
So total 11 questions here.
सर
एक दो doubt ही-
डाउट है।
बोलो।
सर एक्सरसाइज 1 में एक डाउट है।
So question number 4. 4
7.
का सर option B and D.
4 B and D.
9.
7.
So 5th C part.
Answer 10th.
फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में this is one capacitor, this is one capacitor, this is A, this is B, this is small a and B, there is a battery here. Identical dielectric slabs are inserted into the two identical capacitors A and B. These capacitors and a battery are connected as shown in the figure. Now the slab of capacitor B is pulled out with battery remaining connected. Now the slab of capacitor B is pulled out with battery remaining connected. Slab of capacitor B is pulled out. When you are pulling it out, C equivalent decreases. That means charge on both capacitors decreases. क्यों भाई साहब इस पर क्यों डिक्रीज करना है? उस सीरीज में है, you have no choice. The charge on this is decreasing, it will go through this. So charge of even this capacitor will decrease, right?
Yes.
Now you ask for question B and D. Final charge on capacitor B will be less than that of A. They are in series. Two capacitors C1 and C2, irrespective of their values, when they are in series, they'll have the same charge. So final charge on both the capacitors will be equal. Second, you said D. During the process, internal energy of the battery increases. Charge is going into the positive terminal of the battery. See, this was positive, this was negative. This was negative, this was positive. Now charge left this. Positive charge is entering into the positive terminal of the battery. Work is done on the battery. Internal energy of the battery will increase.
Can you discuss ANC also?
Pardon?
Can you do ANC also?
During the process, charge flows from A to B. Quite obvious, no yaar. Charge is flowing from A to B. We have shown that. During the process, work done by the external force F, part of which appears as heat in the circuit. Part of which appears as heat in the circuit. This statement is open-ended here. During the process, work is done by the external force. Obviously, work is done by the external force. Part will be lost in the form of heat only if you give me a resistance. C is ambiguous. Did he give the answer as C?
Yes, sir.
Work undoubtedly is done. During the process, work is done by the external force here. Work done by Griffiths. याद आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So work is done. part of which appears as heat in the circuit. Some part of it obviously is because charge is flowing into the battery, work is done on the battery. Delta U plus heat loss. Okay.
Sir, charge is flowing from A to B or current is flowing from A to B?
What difference does that make?
So charge means electrons, right?
Who told you this? Charge means electrons. ये किसने बोला? Hildreth ने.
नहीं.
Charge कुछ नहीं बोला तो positive charge ही और open end है. Its charge is flowing. It can either be positive or negative. What's wrong in it?
So anyway, even if they told B to A, it would be right because the negative is flowing from B to A.
You will not do that. ये बड़ा cheap trick हो जाएगा. A to B positive is flowing, so negative charge is flowing from B to A. When they don't say anything, they mean charge flowing. They'll keep that open ended unless they say positive or negative charge.
Okay.
Noted. Sir.
See, fifth question. It's a bank clerical job. First to do this, then do this, first to do this, then do this. You'll have to do 3-4 times. I'll explain the concept in it. ध्यान से सुनो. Fifth question. Concept explain करूंगा. मेहनत तो आपको ही करना है. Whenever you are making change in a battery, keep change in a capacitor, keeping the battery connected. Keeping the battery connected. Internal energy of the system will increase. If you are increasing C, use the formula half CV square. 50%. So battery connected, you make any change. Use the formula half CV square. Now V is constant. You are introducing a dielectric, you are increasing the capacitance, electric field, electrostatic energy. Dielectric slab is now introduced into the space. Dielectric slab is introduced, C increases, internal energy increases, Q is equal to CV. C increases, charge increases. Charge increases, field increases. Field is Q by A epsilon naught. Now suppose you are making changes with battery disconnect. U I will use Q square by 2. Now you can remove the dielectric, place the dielectric. I am explaining placing the dielectric. Placing the dielectric, capacitance increases. Energy decreases. Right? Q is equal to, or Q remains constant. Q remains constant. Q remains constant, field will be constant. Now I explained for increase in capacitance. Decrease in capacitance formula is the same, logic will be the same. First I insert the dielectric, then disconnect the battery, then I place the dielectric. These permutations आप लोग apply करना. Concept behind is this. Battery जब तक connected है, you will keep the potential constant and play with all the parameters. Battery disconnect करके कुछ भी कर रहे हो, you will keep the charge constant and play with the parameters. Now this
Thank
is
you, sir.
that is
Sir,
greater than this, आप apply कर लो.
Yes sir, C option गलत दिया है, वो बराबर है ना?
आप अप्लाई कर लो, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ यार, मैंने
Okay, sir.
सॉल्व नहीं करूंगा. आप यू आर इंटरव्यूइंगली प्लेइंग एंड इंसर्टिंग सी ऑप्शन इन द क्वेश्चन. सी ए बी डी आप अप्लाई कर लो.
Okay, sir.
So you won't discuss exercise 3, right?
नहीं, we'll finish off exercise 2 only. Seventh question. Seventh question में you are grounding test. sorry, this is 2D. This is BCA, this is Q. Three identical parallel conducting plates A, B, C are placed as shown. Switches S1 and S2 are opened and connect A and C to earth when closed. S1 and S2 are open, they connect A and C when closed. Plus Q charge is given to B. Plus Q charge is given to B. If S1 is closed, S2 is open. 7th में 8 bit solve करूंगा. Tell me which one do you want?
So anyone which is difficult.
How should I know it's difficult? I don't remember this question completely.
D1.
D is all the statements are correct.
Sir, B.
B for
C for-
Bombay. B for Bombay, have a look. If S2 is closed and S1 is open, which is S2? Is the right one S2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S2 is closed and S1 is open. Obviously, now have a look. You are grounded. This will be 0, this will be 0. This will remain 0. This will be 0. Q minus Q. So minus Q charge came from the ground or plus Q went into the ground. So a charge of amount capital Q passes through the switch S2. Charge of amount capital Q passes through the switch S2. B solve किया है.
Yes, sir, understood. So basically, distance to D will not matter, right?
That will matter for option C. Both are closed simultaneously, then charge distribution के लिए 2D will matter. VA minus VC is 0. For option C, when you are closing this, how will you find the charge distribution? VA minus VB plus VB minus VC should be 0.
Right, sir, understood.
Ninth one, have a look at it. Here he played with words because the dielectric constant and dependent on beat appears very confusing for the students. It is a genuine doubt. Listen carefully. A parallel plate capacitor A is filled with a dielectric whose dielectric constant varies with applied voltage K as V. K will be V. An identical capacitor B of capacitance C naught with air as dielectric is connected to a voltage source 30 V naught. So C naught into 30 V. This is the charge on it. 30 volts. Sorry, V naught is 30 volts. So this will be 30 C naught. This was also initially C naught. Identical capacitor both. And then connected to the first capacitor after disconnecting the voltage source. So I have positive charge and negative charge. So this charge should be shared by both of them. Initially there was no potential because there was no charge. So C naught was the only capacitance. Now I connect these both. You understand the question till here?
Yes, sir.
The charge on it is 30 C naught. Now the charge will be shared C naught plus what will be the capacitance of this? K times C naught into common potential. They should come down to a common potential. And this K is directly proportional to the potential. C naught plus VC naught into VC. Common potential.
Yes, sir.
So this will be C naught VC plus C naught VC square is 30 times C naught. This quadratic equation of VC you solve, you get the answer.
So can you please tell again
Right.
how did you get?
Pardon?
Can we tell again how did you get the first step?
Total charge on this capacitor is shared by both the capacitors. Both the capacitors will share in such a way such that they'll end up with the same potential. What is the capacitance of this C naught? What is the capacitance of this dielectric times C naught? Dielectric times C naught. So both
Understood,
of
sir.
them will come down to the same potential. But this dielectric constant you told me is directly proportional to the potential. So the common potential will come into picture. So now you opened up the bracket and cancelled out C naught. VC once you get, you know the charge on both the capacitors.
Yes.
The wording is very tricky in this question. It appears very deceptive, but once you solve it, you realize it is quite easy. But a genuine doubt.
Sir,
Huh.
so have you discussed exercise 4 in any batch?
Exercise 4 कहीं पर नहीं किया यार.
Okay, sir.
So could you also add 11th question?
Okay.
So you can erase.
Now 10th question. Two conducting plates form a parallel plate capacitor C naught. The two plates are given charge Q1 and Q2. If they are connected by conducting wire, charge transfer through this wire. And now you should be able to do this wire. We have done a very similar problem. You know the initial charge. Two conducting plates for initial charge there. बता सकते हो आप Q1 and Q2. What will this be? Q1 plus Q2 by 2. This is Q1 plus Q2 by 2. This is Q1 minus Q2 by 2. This is minus of Q1 minus Q2 by 2. Now if I connect them, these both will merge into each other. Difference in it. We have done a very similar problem now.
So can you tell again the approach that what will you do after this?
After this, these both will merge into each other. So now
Yes,
the
sir.
field here is 0.
Yes.
So whole of the energy stored here goes in the form of heat.
Right.
The last problem of exercise 1. This is exactly similar to the last exercise 1 problem. Last problem of exercise 1.
33 now.
Eleven. Battery का polarity, capacitor. This is dirty here. Open switch S1, close switch S2, open switch S2, close switch S1. C1 is 6 microfarads. This is 3 microfarads. 20 volts. C1 is first charged by closing the switch S1. I have no problem with that. First you charged it. 20 into 6 is how much? 120 microcoulombs. This is S1, this is S2. Switch S1 is then opened and charged capacitor is connected to the uncharged capacitor C2 by closing it. This is connected to this. This is 6 microfarads, 3 microfarads, initially 120 microcoulombs. अब बोलो तेरा doubt बोलो इस. If these both are connected, can I find out the final charge on both of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, जाइए.
Sir, अब समझ गया. Now I got it. I'll calculate it. Now I got it.
In exercise 3, you people will have a trouble where
So passage 3.
Passage 3.
is dirty. I'll solve it in the class. In the regular class itself. Remind me, I'll solve it in the class. Passage 3 is dirty. Or you want me to post the solution?
No, sir, please solve it in the class only.
So
Yeah,
can you
we'll
post the
solve it in
solution?
the class.
So can you post the solution?
Yes, sir, of exercise 3 and 4 if you have.
इसका standard printed solution है क्योंकि every batch students have that problem, so I got it typed long back. एक प्रिंटेड बुक में भी था. I'll send it in 5 minutes.
So NAPJC 1-2 में भी भेज दो.
हाँ, इस रिकॉर्डिंग
The
के साथ
flagship
भेज
also.
दूंगा. इस रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ भेज दूंगा.
Thank you.
ऐसे थ्री का सॉल्यूशन.
So but if you're saying class में करोगे तो ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन करके TWT में नहीं आएगा ना फिर.
नहीं नहीं, ये बहुत गंदा
Okay.
है.
Okay.
Sir, do you have solutions for exercise 4?
नहीं यार, अगर एक दो है तो बता दो, कर दूंगा.
सर नेक्स्ट वीक आप एक्सरसाइज 4 का डाउट लेक्चर, एक्सरसाइज 4 के लिए डाउट लेक्चर कर सकते हो.
ऑब्वियसली नेक्स्ट वीक क्या मंडे ही रखेंगे किसी बैच में.
ओके सर.
मंडे किसी बैच में रख के, because there's no point of keeping that pending. We'll have to complete it at the earliest.
यस सर, बिकॉज़ इट इज आल्सो कमिंग ना.
सर एक बहुत पुराना डाउट था सर. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स की एक्सरसाइज 4 की हमें रिकॉर्डिंग कभी मिली ही नहीं थी दादर को.
अब
सर आपने बोला था, नहीं सर आप, मैंने पूछा था, आपने बोला था कि डाउट लेक्चर में पूछना.
तो ट्यूसडे रख सकते हैं.
सर दो ही डाउट है.
तब तो मंडे ही खत्म कर देंगे. तो एक्सरसाइज 4 के साथ याद दिला.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
हेलो सर.
ओके, वेट 1 सेकंड. दादर ना, दादर दो ही डाउट है. मतलब इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स
Yes, sir.
खोलेंगे कैसा, खोलेंगे कैसा. नहीं, कैपेसिटर्स एक्सरसाइज 4 के साथ ही पूछ लो, कर दूंगा. दो ही डाउट्स है तो.
यस सर, ओके सर, थैंक यू.
रुको 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 रुको, एक सेकंड रुको. बुकलेट भी मिल गया, एक सेकंड रुको. दो ही डाउट है, कर देंगे बेटा. तंबा 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 तंबा. एक सेकंड रुको, मुझे वो एक्सरसाइज का सॉफ्ट कॉपी ढूंढना पड़ेगा. 2 मिनट लगेगा.
Sir, if we are done with the docs, can we leave?
या प्लीज प्लीज.
So you're not taking exercise 3 doubts now?
नहीं यार.
So I wanted to just confirm the match the columns का आंसर की करेक्ट क्या, क्योंकि the sequential
yeah,
and the
it is
answer
correct.
isn't matching.
No, there's no mistake in it. बोलो बेटा, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स मिल गया. एक्सरसाइज 4 ना बोल रहे थे आप.
यस सर. सर एक्चुअल में दो क्वेश्चंस थे जिनके मेरे आंसर्स मैच नहीं कर रहे थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.
यस सर, आंसर नहीं मैच कर रहा था, पता नहीं क्यों.
तो सिंपलीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. हम दूसरा क्वेश्चन.
और दूसरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 का सी पार्ट. बाकी सबके हो गए.
दोनों का सिंपलीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. 19th इज इजी है, बट
Yes,
ओके,
sir.
आई विल डू इट. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक एनर्जी स्टोरेज सिस्टम 19th इज इजियर, बट ओके, सिंपलीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं,
तो मैं
19 में आई गेस मेरा हो जाएगा. मैं एक बार देखती हूँ, कैलकुलेशन ही हो सकता है मिस्टेक, और कुछ होगा नहीं. थर्ड में मेरा डाइपोल का पता नहीं साइन गलत हो रहा था शायद.
सिंपलीफिकेशन कर दूंगा बोर्ड पर. आई थॉट आई हैव टू ओनली एक्सप्लेन. आई वाज थिंकिंग आई विल फिनिश इट
हाँ
ऑफ.
सर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में हमें उस एजेस के लेने पड़ेंगे ना.
4. हाँ, 4 हर चार्ज लेना पड़ेगा.
हाँ ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
मल्टीपल टाइम्स लेना पड़ेगा.
यस सर.
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर टुमारोज TWT.
Sir, I had a small doubt.
बोलो.
Sir, if they given a question like there are 2 plates with different areas, so how will the charge be distributed exactly?
Infinite large plates, right? Here the field should be 0. That means I shouldn't have charge. So the field will be 0 only if there is no charge. If I have got plus q, I'll have minus q.
So we are still considering as infinite plates only in that upper
Yes.
half.
Finite plates का आपको formula तक पता है. It's not taught to you. Finite plate का field का formula derive किया है हम लोगों ने. Disk
No,
का
sir.
किया है. जब finite plate बोलोगे, shape of that plate comes into picture. Square plate का, rectangular plate का, finite plate का field calculate ही नहीं किया हम लोग. Disk का पता है आपको, circular disk का बस.
Yes, sir.
See you people in the next class. Good day. Bye.
Thank you.